If it's for jollof rice and a marina conda damnation in when do very colorful and very nutritious sister. Mama carrots, kakra, lettuce, crunchy, for kakra. Akokwanam so make really sometime sister. Ayo program mama minye's ban papomo from Hilda's kitchen set I say maybe one so one a messedan or jack. The way I did the whole day means zine is it. Mama man shit on fanganish and kakra and all if you shit to your lugia. Abazin or chowder into mental from Hilda's kitchen. Buy from Hilda's kitchen and eat better. Share jollof rice. A condon sister. Miss you know was your program no set I say a program papa bia tell us on time and let's agree on what you want to use to serve your guests. Set I say 2024 we are going to love those who have been supporting us right from day one. Now one show wasn't one water tower no mess the Hilda's kitchen. We are about to flourish bia. Or where other flowers, I'm telling you. So if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, kindly do. There's a Banapazi, Nanya Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment. This is what we call unforgettable tastes. Oh baby, oh, what you do? Ziban Papa, Sepe Ziban Papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen, or Yezi Banapopo. Ebusiafo, good afternoon. Namwarishim de baby will be out bianui. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully beautiful well. Orokodo, Oxford English is trending. As you can see, this is my jollof stew made on the 17th of November 2023. As you all know, I traveled to Ghana, and before I went, I made all my preparation. I made a lot of jollof stews. It helps you to save some time. So this is the jollof stew, as you can see. My that chef freezer my wires. I'm now coming to use to prepare some nice jollof rice for my kids as they are about to come from school. So stay along and watch. I've added all my ingredients in this jollof stew. You can use it for your white rice and everything. All that I'm trying to tell you or to bring your mind or give you idea is that cook and keep them in the freezer. It will help you. All that I'm going to do now is to add my hot water, allow it to boil, add my salt, add my rice. The jollof rice is ready. So stay along and don't skip through the video. So guys, as you can see, just trying to, voila, the jollof stew is here. And I'm going to just add hot water. Don't skip through the video. For at this time or at this point, I'm just adding my hot water. Even if you don't have hot water, add your water and cover. Put the lid on and allow it to cool down. Allow it to melt. Set as soon as one china now bombos na sister. There's a woman gum or papa. Say please, man, papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. I'm back with full view. Good food, madam, made in a clean environment. So let's chance here see Jeduya. Ebusia. Let's muku kano sono dane with the yes. Hilda's Kitchen. Obwaji dan kasa. Ebusia. Mami ye bi ahwe na ye bi. Na spice wufi. Set as is banana my sister. So onye de wumpo. No good chance. Oh yeah, kondo woma. Mr. Papa mo from me in the world is banana. Don't let me talk too much. As you can see, it has dissolved very nicely. I'm just going to add my salt to taste and add my rice. So orokodo oyezi ban papo. Sepezi ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen, sister. Good food made in a clean environment. Oxford English is trending. I'm testing shit. That's right. That's fine. Orokodo oyezi banpapo. Don't forget to buy your kaku superkuwele octopus, epoto, beef, salted one, papebi. Ebusianfo prakontran na zokaka. Buy from Hilda's Kitchen. Baby, we be our United Kingdom. We deliver. We deliver. When we say we deliver, Charlie, we deliver that Zino. Or to support Hilda's Kitchen. Follow us on Hilda's Cooking on Facebook as well. Thank you. It was a jollof rice and on chebi our baby no. Set I say. Going to cover. Make sure the salt and everything is settled. Fantabulous. Papi. Orokodo is banapapa good food, madam, made in a clean environment. If you want to host a party, Party Chopson, call us. Call us on 0799099527. Orokodo was saying for 1 month bonje the jollof rice in the moon. Set us in one name the yes. Hilda's Kitchen, the Captain Planet, the jollof rice. The rice is rising, says I say. Orokodo, keep watching. Kindly share. Leave your nice comments. This is kind of jollof you need for your party, says I say. Orokodo, I'm back with full vim. Orokodo. Yes, right. Oh, right. Seriously. I'm gonna have the way we young cockroach. Oh, lally. Oh yezi banpapo. Save time, save money, live better. This is what we call unforgettable tastes. Catch out that this time around you use Oxford English. Trust you in me is true. Orokodo wale the way is been way young kokra. It's your papa's in Kenya. Hilda's Kitchen. That's why I'm encouraging the youth to keep watching my channel, because they are going to learn a lot. They are going to save money. They are going to spice their homes. Orokodo, if you say for 1 month bonji do dates. Food is ready. Yes, Orokodo, I'm back. If I tell you I'm back, I'm back. Ebusia, Orokodo is banyanese. Meso your talent. Yankopon and Fifi Ambra was sister. And you soon poor best show. And if you don't know how to do it, I kindly keep watching Hilda's Kitchen. I will share the way a jollof free sister Momo close view no come. My jollof free. Chale in no time. Mama man carrots. Sister, my garnish with jam. Me nutritious with jam. Sister, Miss this year's Oxford now when no more there. Okay, university. Baby, some my critically serious. Shall your program had to be mamma needs and Papomo. Not from what will be winning. Yes, baby. The food is ready. I'm just adding carrots because we need it. The weather is very cold and it can support us in so many ways. So, yeah. If you like what I'm doing, can you like our video, share? And if you are yet to subscribe, can you do to support Hilda's Kitchen? Look at all Mommy, or she no name them no. Jollof rice na mayen akondo. Fair dam sister. And one who go no na wasan so yi nkokrozi. You can get this only from Hilda's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't skip through the video. Ati, I'm going to eat it. Namza show name the yes. It's banana mama into my is mad. Yes. Orokodo oyezi banapapo. Sister mom bonji date. Finally, the food is ready. So I'm creating some venti in it. The heat and with me pray. Set us orokodo. You don't need a lot to make your family happy. Okay, yeah, the jollof rice is, looking so succulent. How do you see it? Isn't it nice? Let me chop carrots, kind of make great. Since them say, "Wama is na ya kondo na yes Hilda's Kitchen." shito yazebobodo. If you want to know how this simple jollof rice is being made, kindly stay tuned and don't skip through my video, because so simple and it will help you so much as a mom, especially if you want to travel when you come back, sister. No struggle, no stress or rokodo. You can get these tips only from Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. Keep watching and God bless ya. Or rokodo or yes, bon papa.